We're seeing a rebound in the market. Do you expect that to continue onto the market next week?
Yes, and a good afternoon to you too. I guess the signs have been positive. Maybe it's with the oncoming rains, good things have started happening because there's been a lot of change. You've seen most of the banks have posted good profits. If we are to look at it that way, Safaricom made its announcement on Wednesday. We've seen what they did at third quarter results, and going forward, if you look at the way the stock market is rebounding, it's not really a giant leap, but it's just what I would call baby steps.
Yeah, but what would you say is a general trend on the bourse currently?
It has been an upward trend, and especially with the financial sectors. If you look at the financial sector, and then one new kid on the block who's come back is Kabacid and BOC that had been suspended owing to a deal that did not materialize, but they finally came back on board. And like you noticed this week, the Kabacid share has really gone up, which has gone up by an impressive level.
Yeah, but
so it looks very positive.
What would you say is the outlook for Kabacid going forward?
Well, I'd say more or less it looks like most of the shares are, those shareholders who've been there trying to either offload a portion of it, while others want a piece of it, because looking at its core business, it really has one or two. The other competitor more or less would be BOC, but in its core business, in terms of carbon dioxide manufacturing of it, they're well ahead of their competition.
Well, KenGen Bond is expected to trade on Monday. What's market expecting out of it?
Well, there's a sort of a mixed match about it, because it was expected to be trading on the automatic trading system, but going by what has been happening in the market today and yesterday, the signs are that that may not be the case. But that should not also dampen the hopes of the investors who are coming on board. The kind of reception they got in terms of the application from us, retail investors as well as corporate investors, was very impressive. There's a very large appetite for what we call the fixed income securities. So it's still positive in one way or the other.